Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back to 2023. So, I thank you very much for the last year, 2022. We've come to the end of it, and this is the beginning of the new month. I love you all, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. I love you all. Keep on subscribing to this channel. Keep on chatting with me. Keep on liking my video. Keep on sharing it with new friends and families. Thank you very much. So in today's video, we are going to start the new year with another beautiful cake. How to make another beautiful cake. So like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. See you in my next video. Thank you. So guys, in making this video today, these are my recipes that I have here. The baking powder is here. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon for the baking powder, then 250 grams of cooking butter of Siemens. This 1 sachet. Then I'm going to use 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This is all-purpose flour, as you can see. Then this is my sugar, 1.5 cups. The all-purpose flour, say 2.5 cups. Okay, and this is my flavor. I'm using creamy vanilla, and I'm going to use 5 large eggs. 5 large eggs. So I'll start by mixing my butter. Mix my butter with the sugar. So this is my butter now. So I'm using my bowl and a wooden stick. So where you don't have the mixer, your bowl and the wooden stick is good to go by. So start by mixing it. So add my flavor now. Hope you have seen it. Add the flavor. Adding my egg bit by bit, then you turn it.